busy in there. It's my first ever beehive. I haven't been in it or anything yet and looked at the queen or nothing like that. I'm just leaving it a couple of days. Literally brought it home, put it by there, and they had him, well, they are working hard. You can see some of the stuff they're dropping out, kicking out of there. Old wax comb and stuff in there that they're recycling, reusing, cleaning the old wax comb, building new. I can't wait to get in there and have a look at the queen. See the inside. Add another box. The brood box is going on the bottom, so there'll be two there. Look at that one carrying something out there. Whee! Here he goes.